Vision 4 Funds Vice President Heather Zumarraga joining us now. Give us your assessment of what we're seeing in this final couple of minutes.
Yeah, I think the market is pulling back a little bit. And again, we are not clear if tax reform will happen. And part of that may be priced in the markets at these levels. And if we see some more capitulation happening, I think we could get a pullback of 10 to 15% here.
When and what would really be the trigger for that? Or will it just meander down? Right now, we're trying to get up off the floor here with the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ.
Yes, we are. And the trigger would be that we can't get tax reform passed. The technology sector has led the markets higher for the better part of this year. And I think if you see the technology sector continue to roll over and you don't see participation in other sectors pick that up, then the sell-off could continue to happen as investors just look to pile on some cash, and we take a breather here.
You know, I'm always interested to hear people say that they're watching the tax issue and whether tax reform plans, but Jamie Dimon of JP Morgan today said if corporate taxes are cut, that will boost jobs and it will boost wages. So, you know, he's not in government here. He really wants to see that. But let's just advise our viewers what to do if perhaps a 5 to 10% correction's coming.
You're right. If that happens, the sector that stands to benefit the most on a disproportionate level relative to the other sectors in the S&P 500 is technology, healthcare as well. But they have cash. The technology sector has the most cash stored overseas. You bring that back here in the U.S. In 2004, we saw $300 billion move into share buybacks and boosting dividends. And I know that may not be the best way to increase economic growth, Liz, but it does boost stock prices.